Want to make money faster and smarter? In this video, we reveal 7 incredible AI tools that can transform your financial future. Imagine creating website in minutes, turning long video into viral clips and automating your emails, all with the power of AI. Stay tuned to see how this game-changing tool can boost your income and unlock new revenue streams. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you ready to unlock the secret to skyrocketing your wealth? Today we are diving into the world of AI and revealing 7 incredible tools that can print money and make you rich fast. Whether you are looking to boost your income, invest smarter, or find new revenue stream, these AI tools are your golden ticket. Stay tuned as we explore how technology can transform your financial future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest way to level up your wealth. Let's get started. First, AI tool like 10web.io and Durable.co can save your time and money by simplifying website creation. Previously, building a website required extensive coding skill and time of work, costing up to $20,000 in 19s. Tools like WordPress, Wix, and Shopify made it easier and cheaper but still time consuming. Now AI can design, build, write, copy, and source image for your website in minutes. With AI tool, you just provide basic information and the AI does the rest, including build in SEO and recreating website you like. You can edit and perfect the site as needed. These tools are ideal for both personal use and start a business. Many people pay freelancing for basic website, but with AI you can create superior website quickly and charge more. The second Opus Clip is an AI tool that transforms long form video into engaging short form content with one click. The AI identifies that best hook and highlights, removing boring part to increase your chance of virality. It also allows clipping based on keywords, making it highly efficient and cost effective given the popularity of short form content. Opus Clip can save you time and money on editing and hiring and even help you building a profitable business. Despite the abundance of short form content, agency tool like Opus Clip remain valuable to attract for large audience and generating revenue. The third AI tool, ChatGPT Writer, simplifies your workflow and save time. Initially, use ChatGPT for writing tasks involve copying and pasting, which could be time consuming. ChatGPT Writer Chrome extension streamline this process by integrating directly to your email, making it quick and easy to use AI for Gmail replies. This simple yet effective tool significantly reduces the time spent on email. The fourth Tydios AI Lero can assist or replace your support team while boosting sale. Save you money on staffing and enhancing customer experience as an AI-powered chatbot. Lero answers frequently asked questions quickly, improving site conversion rate by making the customer journey seamless. It handles advanced query by assessing your database and help human agent by converting quick replies into full branded sentence. If a query is beyond its scope, it refers customer to a human agent. Lero can handle 70% of customer question, resulting in fast service. happier customer, and increased sale. The fifth DocoOS can save you a ton of time by allowing you to ask questions about a document instead of reading it in full. Unlike simple text summarizer, DocoOS analyzes the entire document so you don't miss important detail. Just input your question into a chat box and AI extract the necessary information. This makes extracting information. The sixth Microsoft Copilot is one of the most useful AI tool seamlessly integrating with Microsoft suite of products. It can analyze Excel spreadsheets, create PowerPoint presentation, transcribe and summarize Microsoft Team meeting, and even execute action items. Copilot prepares you for meeting, generates report, and handle email replies. This AI tool significantly enhance workflow efficiency, make it invaluable for anyone using Microsoft products, whether for creating pitch decks, analyze data, or managing tasks. The 7 Adobe Firefly is one of the most impressive AI tool available, offering capabilities that go beyond saving time or money. Firefly, a generative AI content creation tool, can create realistic image from text, perform generating fill, adding or removing object in photos, and turn sketches into photorealistic image. This tool allow you to achieve results that would normally require a team of graphic designer. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope you found this 7 AI tool as exciting, game changing as I do. Don't forget to smash like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe my channel. Catch you in the next